Welcome back to Python Unlocked. In last video we started exploring different type of operators in Python. जिसमें हमने discuss करा था about arithmetic operators. In this video we'll discuss about comparison operators and logical operators. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So comparison operator are simply where we are comparing the value. So you can simply say comparison operators को हम relational operators भी बोल देते हैं because we are comparing two values, whether they are equal, whether they are not equal, whether what is the relation between value, whether one is greater, one is smaller, greater than equal to, smaller than equal to. Okay, so this is basically what. So comparison operator is a type of, as you can say, is a relational operator that check relation between two values, that check relation between values, whether they are equal, not equal, greater than, less than, and so on. Let's understand this with help of code. Let's say I am taking a is equal to 4, b is equal to 2. I am writing print a is equal is equal to b. Now if I run this particular portion, if both the values are equal, I'll be getting true. As in this scenario, both the values are not equal, I'll be getting false. So remember this, for comparison operators, or you can say for relational operators, the output that I'll be getting will be a boolean one, either true or false. If condition holds true, I'll be getting, if condition is true means satisfied, I'll be getting true. If condition holds false, then I'll be getting false over there in my output. As both the values are not equal, as I am putting a is equal to 4, b is equal to 2, both values are not equal, so I am getting false over here. If I'm saying a not equal to b, now if I'm checking that, I'm getting true because both the values are different. As one is 4, other one is 2, both values are not equal, so I am getting true over here, as condition is satisfied over here. If I'm saying a greater than equal to b, now see, a is 4, b is 2, so condition is satisfied over here. 4 greater than equal to 2, so condition satisfied, a is greater, so that condition is satisfied, that's why I'm getting true over here. If the condition says a less than equal to b, if I run this portion, so I am getting false over here. Okay, other one is a less than, simply for this as well I'll be getting false. Okay, now see what is the difference between less than and less than equal to. If this is a less than, I am getting true over here, I am getting false over here for this condition. If even if I am putting this particular, I am getting false. What if I am providing both the values as 4 and I am running this a less than equal to 4. Now see, a is less than equal to 4, I am getting true over here because the value is less than, value is not less than, value is greater. If value is less than, I'll be getting false. If value is equal, I'll be getting true over here. If the condition says this one, a less than equal to b, now a is a 4 and that less than equal to b, hold on, let me clear this first. So see over here what I am getting true over here because the value of a is less than, value of a is smaller than the value of b over here. So condition satisfied, that's why I'm getting true. If I am putting 4 over here, that means if value of a is less than or equal to b, now this will be following equal to criteria, that's why I'm getting true over here. If I'm simply saying value of a less than b, now in this scenario both the values are equal, I'll be getting false in this scenario. You can see over here. I hope difference between less than and less than equal to, greater than equal to is clear. Greater than, if one value is greater, simply if I'm saying 8 greater than 4, if value of a is greater than 4, then only I'll be getting true. Okay, see over here, then only I'm getting true. if both the values are equal in this scenario, I'll be getting false. See over here, what if instead of simply using greater than, I am putting greater than equal to. So what I'm getting true over here. That means condition will hold true itself if value is greater than and equal to the value. I hope this is clear. Comparison operators are clear for everyone. Now let's move forward to logical operators. So logical operators are simply what? Where we are using and, or, not. This is simply what? When I am taking two conditions in consideration, if I'm saying A greater than B and A greater than equal to B, if both the conditions are true, then only I'll be getting true. Or means if at least one condition is true, if I'm saying A greater than B or A greater than equal to B, if either of condition is true, I'll be getting true. Whereas not is basically what? Whatever thing I am having, it will be giving reverse of that. If I'm saying A, not A greater than B, and let's say the value of A is a 2, the value of B is 3. Now 2 greater than 3, no. The condition is false in actual. But when I'll be applying not, it will reverse the result. I hope this is clear. Let's understand all the logical operators with help of code. Let's say I am writing uh, A greater than B, and now see over here, A greater than B, this condition is false over here, and A greater than equal to B, either equal to or either greater, this condition is true. That means what output I'll be getting? One condition is false, one condition is true. I'll be getting using and. If both the values are true, I'll be getting true. So any of one value is true, I'll be getting false. The output that I am getting, you can see over here, that is false. Both the condition needs to be true for getting true as output when I am working with a logical AND. Okay, for example, let's say I'm saying student is considered as a pass if he is scoring more than 33% and having 75 attendance. Now both the condition needs to be true for providing the result as pass for student. Okay, we'll discuss this when we're dealing with the if statements in detail. Let's consider a simple scenario I am having. Let's say mark student attain is 33, attendance that student required is 75. Okay, now if marks are greater than or equal to 33 and attendance is greater than equal to 70, let's say. Okay, print pass. That means both the condition needs to be true for providing me result true as output. Okay, hold on. This will be, instead of we are supposed to use attendance, you can see student is pass over here. That means if both the conditions are satisfied, I'll be getting true. If either of condition is false, I'll be getting, let's say I'm converting attendance need to be greater than 75. Now one condition is, hold on, I am providing condition over here. Let's say I am providing condition for the pass over here. That condition is not satisfied. I am getting nothing as output. Okay. So remember this. If condition is satisfied, I'll be getting true. Otherwise, I'll be getting false. In case if I'll be using if for printing other fail as output, I can use else. Okay. That we'll discuss when we'll discuss conditions, or you can say statements in detail. You can see over here condition failed, I am getting false over here, as Marks are greater than 33 or equal to 33, condition satisfied, attendance need to be greater than 75. And here actual what attendance the student is having, 75 only. So condition failed, that's why I'm getting false as output over here. I hope this is clear. And is basically what, when both the conditions are true, then only I'll be having the true as output. Now see over here, print marks greater than equal to 33 or attendance greater than 75. If either of the condition is satisfied, I'll be getting true. Now one condition is satisfied, that's why I'm getting a true over here. I hope this is clear. The last one that we are having in logical operators is and. Now sorry, is a not. What is that? For not, that's simply for reversing the result. Let's say I'm considering print not of marks greater than attendance. Now marks are greater than attendance? No. If I'm not using not, let's say at present, what output I'll be getting? I am getting false over here because the value for one that we are having is 33 greater than 75. That's why this is false. If I'm using not of this and running this again, you can see I'm getting true over here. So not is basically what, for reversing the result that I am getting. I hope comparison operators are clear and logical operators are clear. Comparison operators are basically a relational operators where we compare whether values are equal, not equal, greater than equal, less than or less than equal. Basically we are checking relation between the values. Whereas in logical operators we are checking whether condition is true or not. How we are checking? If both the conditions are true, right? Then we are using basically, if we are working with the AND logical operator, if both the conditions are true, then only I'll be getting true as output. If either of the condition is true, I'll be getting true as output. If I want to reverse the output that I am getting, I can use a not logical operator over there. In case you are having any doubt in logical operators or comparison operators, please mention in comment section below. Thanks for watching.